What is your greatest fear?
My greatest fear is waking up and having all of my hair cut off.
And why is that?
Because I like my hair, it's pretty.
What's your biggest fear?
Needles.
Needles?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like needles either. I passed out one time because someone pricked my finger.
My biggest fear is sometimes I like to go backpacking up in the mountains by myself, and then what ends up happening is being attacked by a bear. I think that would be just horrific. You know, find pieces of me all over the place. That would be horrible.
I think snakes. They're terrifying, and I don't trust them.
My biggest fear is spiders because they freak me out. They got all these legs, they move around all fast. No matter what you do, you can never dodge them because they're either gonna land on you, jump on you, bite you. They're gross, they're weird. That's literally my biggest fear.
My biggest fear is losing things down drains. When I was on my honeymoon, I was washing my hair. I'd literally had my wedding ring for like 2 days, and I was washing my hair, and I felt this, like, heard this ka-cling on the ground, and I looked and I watched my wedding ring go down the drain. Oh, no. It was amazingly awesome. Fortunately, a janitor came and retrieved it, but now I have an unscrupulous fear of drains.
Eating something that I'm allergic to and having to go to the hospital.
So my biggest fear is probably going to be rats. It's really scary when my cats bring them in and leave them as prizes in the living room. So I think that would be my biggest fear.
So what is your biggest fear?
Mr. Aguilar.
That's scary.
Hey, my name is Mr. Aguilar. I've been asked what's my biggest fear. It's being interviewed by 3 Mile Whitney students, and I don't know what to say. Have a great day, Mount Whitney.